Hello everyone. This project is a puzzle platform game. One of the most special part of the game is that you can choose from two characters to play, and different characters may have different methods in the same level. Let's enter the selection screen. On the left is the little but flexible cyborg, Robin, and on the right is his robot bodyguard, Ben, who has a huge body and arms. Let's take a look at some interactive animations of the two characters first, which includes moving, jumping, sliding, climbing, and so on. You can see that Robin is very flexible and fast, so he can get through some small places, and Ben, you can see that he is very heavy and slow, but he has a huge fist, so he can break some huge barriers or move some heavy things. Now let's start the game. At the beginning of the game, to familiarize the player with the controls, it starts with simple actions. Initially, there's just a jump. Then, a moving light illuminates the next level to pass. Robin can slide through, but Ben, due to his huge size, can only break through the wall. This is followed by a simple handlebar interaction. Next is the first challenging level, where the player needs to seize the moment to pass. It is especially difficult for Ben. What I designed here is that Ben must be in the running state to pass, and he can't pass by only walking. Then, there's a level that I designed to be simple to operate, but I believe what attracts the player is the rotation of the gears and the movement of the bearings, fitting the mechanism theme. After that comes a more difficult level, with the difficulty of the obstacles increasing significantly. I died several times before successfully completing the demo recording. This might be the downside of 2.5D games. Although they may have superior artistic presentation compared to 2D games, they inevitably face perspective issues. This can make it difficult for players to judge positions in some levels, especially in the game Little Nightmares. It remains quite challenging to finish the level in one go, so I set up a save point where players can revive after dying. After passing this level with the large knife, players encounter the first minigame, somewhat similar to the building blocks we played with as children. It requires moving the largest piece to the exit, which I find still difficult and tests the player's patience. This level is designed to ease the pace of difficulty, as the previous level was more challenging. This little game was inspired by the game Machinarium, which has many similar small games that left a deep impression on me. It also incorporates many mechanical tricks, not just gears but also pipes, making the whole game even more interesting. After unlocking the mechanism, the gate opens, and we reach the final challenge. The last level took me a lot of time to design, with two thought processes. When the player stands on the block, the door opens. When they leave, the door closes. After testing, it's found that walking directly through is impossible because the door closes too quickly. So the player might need an object on it to get through the level. The next step is to find the object. Robin needs to climb onto the platform and push the box off, while Ben just needs to pull the rope. Animating and coding this level was the most difficult part for me. If there were DLC for this project, I would add skills to the characters, like using Robin's giant robotic hand and Ben's super long robotic arm. When the players pass through this gate, and Robin and Ben stand under the last beam of light, it foreshadows that they are about to embark on the next journey.